nanggagaling to?
What are you guys talking about?
Ako na bahala.
Bakit ang daming galit? Mga rage baiter?
Meg, parang alam ko na bakit.
Yes, I had an affair with Tara Alari.
No. This can't be happening. I know Tito Freddy. He's an old friend. And my mom's only love was Dad.
Pero ibang sinabi ng Tito Freddy mo.
Pero tukso ako. Natukso ako kay...
Natukso? Sir Freddy kay...
Everything's falling apart. I just quit Yumi and now this? How am I supposed to face everyone?
Megan, I'm here.
I'm here, okay? I've got you.
Don't worry.
Ako na bahala sa'yo. Okay?
If you want me to do anything, sabihin mo lang sa...
Nandito lang ako, okay?
Wait, space.
Okay.